Hi there, my name is Joseph Page. I'm the account executive here at Modality Systems for construction and retail. I'm joined today by Andrew Buchanan, our global head of sales.
Thanks, Joe. It's good to be here.
And today we're going to talk a little bit about Office 365. I know we've done some very specific work with Skype for Business for a particular construction company that had a very disparate workforce. Can you go into a bit more detail about how we helped them?
Yeah. So this particular company was growing. They were taking on a lot of new contracts, and these contracts meant that they had a growing workforce, and the workforce were in not just multiple locations, but often in mobile locations, so on construction sites in many areas, particularly in the UK. But of course, they still needed to communicate and collaborate as if they were in an office. And their traditional infrastructure didn't really allow for that. So it was fine if you were in a meeting room at head office, or if you were in one of the other main offices in another part of the country and you were in the other main office, then yeah, you could collaborate. And sometimes that meant, actually being able to see things, visualize things, show people piping, whatever it might be. It wasn't just the capability of having a call. Some of that, a mobile could do, but often you didn't necessarily get great mobile coverage. So even mobile phones weren't the answer. And of course, that was just even where it was available, it was just voice. So what we were able to do there is to say, look, Skype for Business, as long as you're able to put in a pipe, some form of internet, then of course we can actually, if in effect, take the office to wherever they are. And so they were able to, because they weren't just there for a day, they were going to be on these mobile disparate sites for many months, they were able to put in some form of communication pipe, and therefore now have, in what was in essence a porter cabin, perhaps with even a small monitor, that monitor could double up as the PC, but could turn into a video conference.
So I love your point on taking the office wherever they are, and how do you see Teams kind of building on that foundation?
Well, as Teams gets more and more communication functionality, it's just going to make it even better, because you've still got, you still have the calls, you still have the video calls, the instant messaging, the voice, the document sharing, but of course all the other collaborative benefits of Teams as well, and all in the cloud. So Teams is just going to be a further iteration of an already fantastic and productive solution.